Yeah, hi, welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you guys out there watching my channel, and today I wanted to do a seafood chowder. I had said on my other video that I wanted to do something seafood, and it was the chowder that I was thinking of doing. So I've gone and made it. Okay, it's got the black mussels in it, the steamer still, and I got, some people call it sashimi, and I call it crab meat. And I got little prawns. Well, they were big when I first put them in there, but they eventually shrink. And then I made myself a garlic bread or two, and just to have it with. And today's drink is the good old Powerade. So I better get started with my mukbang, and good to have you guys join me. So here goes. Sometimes my glasses fog because of the, okay. But anyway, good to have you guys join me. Got to get the humble, get the tissue ready. She'll be it. Move this towards me. Now I make this and I put chives and parsley and stuff in it. I went down to Coles. I bought me some of these bread and got my butter and stuff and made my, I prefer to make my own anyway. Then it's up to you if you want to put a lot or less garlic. He's trying to get in there too. Going to try these little mussels. Look how small they are. That's just the orange one. Oh, they're a little stubborn too. Oh, come on. Do you know, to be honest, I've never ever bought the black mussels before, but it was just that I thought they're nice little sizes just to put into the plate when I make, into the bowl when I make my soup, chowder. But it's like a soup anyway. Anyway, see this? There's a prawn inside. I'm trying to sneak inside the mussel. Trying to hide from me. No, you can't hide. See? Don't worry guys, I always wash my hands before I do my, because I know sometimes it gets messy. You gotta use your hands. After I made this, my son, he's off work today because he's pretty ill. Called out, Mum, what are you cooking? And I go, nothing. He goes, oh, okay. And I go, oh, it's a seafood chowder. He goes, oh, are you making a lot? And I said, no, I'm making it for my mukbang. He goes, oh, it's all right. So lucky I had a lot. And then I took him some because my son is still, sick. This is the second day off work. I'm not feeling well. I'm making messy, eh? Oh. That's so good. Soon I'll be filming with a bib. When I moved to Australia, I wanted to bring something with me that reminded me of New Zealand. So I got that Maori porcelain thing. It's like a greenstone, but it's made out of porcelain. And I've had it now for 20 odd years because I've been here that long. I've been back to New Zealand. How could I not visit New Zealand? People must think, oh, she always talks about New Zealand. Oh, sorry. Just, I can't help it. Yeah, guys. I think I might need a bib. And these little mussels are quite good for little bugger. They're small, but they're like quite meaty. Like, see how small they are? And that's why I thought the small mussels will be more suitable for my, like I said. My daughter Chalora, that one that done me the painting the other day for my Mother's Day, she said, Mom, this is the best video because you mentioned my name. My poor baby. Do you know my 12-year-old daughter? She edits my videos and then she puts it up. Because like I said before, I am not computer savvy. I'm just one of those ones that just want to watch YouTube and stuff and play my Candy Crush. That's so garlicky. I love garlic, so I put extra just for my own liking. What's the prawn hiding? I got it, but it's so buttery. If I squeeze it, some will dribble in here. It's not good for me, but the flavour's awesome, so. It's so nice. Wish I could give you guys some. After this, I have to go and make everyone's dinner, but I'll be full like usual. They probably wonder, how she's always full when you say, come on, and she's not just come and eat, but I'm always full because of but today I'm just gonna make the family burgers easy. Just have to fry them the eggs and the chicken schnitzels that's already pre-cooked. I'm gonna put them in the salad bag. My daughter, my 12-year-old, she always liked the aioli sauce. Always. She buys one just for herself. And she says, this is mine. And she'll go and put it in the mini fridge in the sunroom. You don't put these little mussels. You just put they're tiny for nothing, but they're actually meaty. Well, sorry little mussels for saying you're little, little, but got a punch. I'm making so much mess. Can't help it, sorry. Oh, that was a big noise. Oh, these beautiful mussels. I don't think I never buy it until now. I said to my daughter I wasn't going to talk much today. Because when I watch myself sometimes I go, geez, I can talk. Oh well. I've got one more mussel left. Right. That's all. There you go. Say hello to the viewers. Hello viewers. That's my last one. So, what do you think, guys? Did I do well? Give me a thumbs up if I did. Okay, I'll just have a drink. Oh, well, I did my best, guys. Did my best. Go away, Sharon. Okay, I better say bye. My daughter's teasing me at the window. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Excuse what just happened there. My daughter getting smart. She just got back from work. Started at 6:30 today. She's back already. Okay, thank you very much for watching my videos, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, yeah, don't be shy to give me a thumbs up. I always burp a lot after I do my mukbang. I really enjoyed this. The reason why I started liking seafood chowder is that when I went to New Zealand, we stopped by at this market. Because I'm a Samoan and I don't make seafood chowders, to be honest. I just do raw fish. And, you know, and, you know, other kind of way to cook a fish and stuff and fry mussels. But I've never really been into chowder. So anyway, I went to this market and they were selling it. And I thought, oh, I'll have a try it. You know, I have to try it, I mean. And I was walking away all excited like, yum, yum, yum. So I thought, oh, I'm going to try and make this thing called chowder. And it's so nice. I made it for my kids because they've never seen me make it. They've never had it, you know. So they go, oh, what's this, Mum? And I go, just eat it. And then they go, oh, yeah, what is it? It's got this and that, you know. And I said, it's a seafood chowder. And they go, when did you know how to make a seafood chowder? And I go, oh, I've got some hidden surprises, but really, I have to look. I saw this recipe on Kai Maori on Facebook, and you know I'm part of that group, and I watched this guy. He made a sauce, and I thought to myself, oh, I'll use that sauce, and I'll make it out of the chowder. You know, make it. You know, I don't know how to make a chowder. To be honest, I don't. I just saw that guy make a sauce. And I thought, I wonder if I can use his recipe to do the chowder. And that's what I did. And I surprised my children. So they think that their mum really knows how to cook. But anyway, guys, that's between you and me. Okay, thank you very much for watching my channel. Like I said before, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. And if you got that notification bell on, then you got to know that I've made another channel, and then you guys can come and watch me again. Okay, thank you. You take care, okay? And be awesome. Thank you. Bye-bye.